This is the property. Roof seems fine. There's parking nearly done. Neighbours are questionable. That's a side entrance. Needs a new door. In fact, it needs to be gutted. To be honest, it's cash only. As you can see, it has no kitchen, but even with a kitchen, this would have to be cash only. Okay, so this is going to be very straightforward. Literally gut the whole place and start again. Needs new meters, full rewire. Ideally, this needs to be removed because it's taking up too much space, but looking at it, that might be quite costly. It does have radiators throughout, but I think some radiators will be needed, especially in the small bedroom. It is a downstairs bathroom, so kitchen's not that big, and that might be asbestos. Okay, so it's downstairs bathroom. This is the shower room. Have to find space in there for a bath somewhere, which might not fit. Downstairs bathrooms aren't very popular with rent or with tenants. And there's the toilets in there as well, and obviously it needs a back door. So I mean, potentially turn that into a whole bathroom, but then you don't have access. You don't have an exit there, so maybe I don't know, maybe restructure it. But then we'd have to knock through that wall. Okay, so that might be a hold up. So the downstairs bathroom might be an issue. Upstairs, okay, this is the smallest bedroom. It is not the biggest. It's not terrible. I mean, it's not, you know, you can get away with it. Long garden, probably not a good thing. It's been sectioned off, so potentially maybe move the fence down if it's tenanted, or just do the whole garden. But the maintenance on that is going to be quite high, so it probably needs a set of fence there. Does not have radiators in here, so it needs piping, roof. Okay, probably need to check the EPC on this and what it will cost to get it to a C. Radiators there. That's where the tank used to be. That's been relooked. The boiler's been fitted instead in the other room, so that can be a wardrobe. And there's master bedroom. Very big room, probably too big to be honest. This is where the boiler's been relocated to, but it's condemned, it's old, so probably a good opportunity to move this boiler downstairs. The other option might be to create a bathroom up here. So the bathroom would be along there, and then put a door here into this bedroom, and then downstairs turn it into a large kitchen with an outdoor toilet. It's probably better actually. So yeah, so you'd probably put a wall across here, bathtub there, but then this bedroom is probably going to be too small if you have a look here for the price. All right, see you.